In this video, we'll show you how to install McAfee antivirus on your Mac laptop. Start by opening an internet browser window and navigating to miami.edu/software. Once on the software page, scroll down until you see McAfee Virus Scan. Double-click the logo to open the McAfee page. From the McAfee page, scroll to the bottom and click the student download link. Authenticate with your key ID and password and click Sign In. From the drop-down menu, select McAfee for Macintosh or McAfee for Sierra, depending on the operating system of your computer. Then click Download. This will begin the download process. Once the download is complete, double-click the file to begin the installation. Double-click the downloaded file to launch the installer. Click Continue, continue again, continue again, continue again, agree to the license terms, leave these checkboxes checked, and then click Continue. Then click Install. Enter your computer password and click Install Software. The installation process will require you to make a few changes to some system preferences on your computer. When prompted, on the Extensions window, click Trust and then open System Preferences. You may need to click Trust again. On the Security and Privacy window, double-click the lock icon, enter your computer password and click Unlock. Next, click the checkbox for the Install D application. Then click the lock to save changes. You can now close that window and close the Extensions window. The installation should now be complete. Click Close and move to Trash. McAfee Antivirus is now installed on your Mac laptop.